Hello and welcome. This is Vukile. Welcome to another lick, and I'm gonna play this lick for you on a backing track. And here goes the lick. It's a long lick, so you pay a lot of attention because it's gonna be a long one, more realistic. Okay, so that's the lick there. It's a very short lick, and you can see that I'm playing so I'm carrying him. That's the groove there. Okay, and I'm coming. Now if you take that, that's the fifth there. Sorry, that's my root there. And that's my root there. So I'm actually playing my lick on the third. That's my root there. My groove is there. And that's my octave of the root. So if I count 1, 2, 3, the third is where my lick is. I'm just playing a what I call it, an octave there. Then I use hybrid picking there. Then slide it. The left hand slide it. Sorry. Then I come here on this here. That's the fourth there. Now, if you look at the chords that are there, this is the fourth there, and that's the root. So you have the fourth there, and the fifth is behind there, which is that. Okay, so I'm playing that as that's the root there. So this one, this is the fourth I'm holding, and then the root, and then fifth I'm just playing that. Now in terms of the scale I'm playing there, it is this. So it goes. So that's the scale I'm playing there. If you want to be a little faster there, so that's the scale. The scale, that scale there falls under this. I've told you my key is. So if you reverse from G there, you got F back by one tone. You got, this is F, E flat. So you're in E flat, the key of E flat, that's where you're playing. And this is this one here is the fifth shape of the E flat. So that's, I've shown you the scale pattern there, which is okay, so that's the scale, that's the major scale, the E flat major scale. So the groove again, so I just take an octave, then I started, that's the root, the fourth, and back the root into the fifth. So it's 1, 4, 5. Okay. Okay. Now after that, I go after playing. Now this there's a variation that you can do here. You can actually start from the root, which, or you can start from the third, or you can start from the the root itself, which is the fifth of this fourth chord. Doesn't make much difference, you know. Okay, now the second part of the lick, I come here. Okay, so this is I've said this is the third, then the fourth, which is A flat. This is G. If you go to the fourth there, that's A flat. Go to the fifth there, that's a B flat there. It's a B flat there. So that's where you come and play. You slide B flat. You go from B flat to C. See? So B flat to C. Then here you say you hold it a little bit. You strum it. So again. Okay, and straight away you go into the lick again. You may want to slide. So here it's now you can actually see that you're in this is your E flat triad here. So you're playing it an octave above this. So that's there. So slowly, let's go. So together with the lick. Thank you very much. So the lick is played in the position, first position, and then in the octave position. And the up here. Okay, so thank you very much. Let's just play it once. Thank you very much. My name is Vukile. I'll meet you in the next lick. Please practice this lick. It's very important. Make sure you play that and you play the groove in the key of E flat, and then you go to the third of E flat, and then you do an octave there, and then you go to the octave of E flat. You do the lick again there. So this is a simple lick, and it just needs a bit of practicing, and I wish you the best. I'll meet you in the next lick. Cheers.